For more on the Russia probe, we're joined by Tom Fitton. He is president of Judicial Watch. Tom, it's great to have you here.
Good evening.
What do you make of this move and this report by Politico of Schneiderman?
Well, it seems to me that it's further confirmation that Mueller's probe is really out of control and is on a fishing expedition. Remember, he was appointed presumably to investigate issues of collusion between the Russians and the Trump campaign, and I guess related matters. And all of a sudden we have the New York State Attorney General, who is pretty much an enemy of the president, getting involved in the investigation. What does he bring to the table in this foreign intelligence related investigation? I don't think much. And there's a new report today also, just breaking, that Mueller's also working with the IRS. So what else are they doing? I really think the Justice Department needs to figure out what exactly Mr. Mueller's doing. Is he investigating crimes, or is he just throwing anything out there, sending his investigators all over the place with the hope that he finds a crime to get Donald Trump? And frankly, the way he's been behaving, the people he's been hiring, and these new alliances, both with the IRS and the New York Attorney General, suggest it's the latter. And
Mueller had the relationship, we know, with Director Comey, James Comey, who we also are learning today. There's a report that he basically, was drafting a letter of pardon, not willing to investigate Hillary Clinton. And he hadn't even talked to her, hadn't interviewed any of her aides, that he was going to let it all go. So all of this seems to point to certain people in Washington who seem to have it out for Donald Trump.
And we're protecting Hillary Clinton. In the case of Comey, he began drafting his statement allegedly exonerating Hillary Clinton, at least from a criminal charge, back in May and April before his July statement. And that was before 17 witnesses had been interviewed, including Hillary Clinton. It explains why they were handing out immunity agreements like candy, because it was a make-believe investigation at that point, because like Alice in Wonderland, Comey had come to his decision and the investigation would follow.
What did you make of the fact that the FBI, decided not to release those Hillary Clinton emails due to lack of public interest? I don't know about you, Tom, but I was interested.
Well, to me, it's all part of a piece. The deep state, the FBI, the bureaucracies who don't like Donald Trump, they're protecting Hillary Clinton. And in the case of Donald Trump, withholding information that probably would be helpful to him, or pursuing him in a way that they would never have done and did not do, as we see with Mr. Comey against Hillary Clinton. Is Mueller now working on writing his statement exonerating Donald Trump and just going through the motions? I don't think so.
Tom Fitton, there's so much going on and so many forces going against President Trump right now in Washington. Thank you, sir. It was great to have you here.
You're welcome. Thank you.